Hey there, it's Todd, and let's talk about white balance and how that pertains to shooting video. First off, what is white balance? Well, simply put, it's a setting in your camera that you can adjust to make sure that your whites are white, and therefore, as a result, all of your other colors will be accurate. So how does that work? Well, what you need to understand is that different light sources have different color temperatures. Sunlight, for instance, has more of a blue tint to it, whereas your regular household light bulb has more of a red or amber tint to it. So, an incorrect white balance setting will color your video incorrectly. I'm sure you've seen plenty of videos out there that have a slight blue tint to them or a slight amber tint to them. That is all due to having an incorrect white balance setting. So here are some basic rules when it comes to setting your white balance. If you're shooting outdoors in daylight or with a daylight bulb, you're going to want to set your camera to daylight white balance, which is usually denoted with the picture of a sun. If you're shooting indoors with regular tungsten light bulbs, you're going to want to set your camera's white balance to tungsten, which is usually denoted by a small light bulb. Now there are other options in your white balance. You've got shaded daylight, you've got fluorescent lighting, you can even dial in the Kelvin specifically to a certain color temperature, but these two are the most common that you'll come across, your daylight and your tungsten. Now obviously rules are meant to be broken, but master the basics and then you can go on to bending the rules. And with that being said, if you want to learn more in-depth information about this subject or just shooting video in general, check out the Fronos Photo Guide to Shooting Video. I teamed up with Jared Poland from Fronos Photo to create over 6 hours of educational video about everything shooting video. And the best part is that once we show you all the ins and outs on how to shoot video, we take you on 4 real-world video shoots and show you how to shoot a music video, a commercial, a short film, and even a YouTube video. If that sounds like something you might be interested in, go check it out at fronosphoto.com/video and check it out for yourself. And you can take advantage of an exclusive discount just for you.